My name is Jessica Burton, and I lead Polyvinyl Creations, a second-generation American manufacturer founded by my parents in 1996. Several years ago, our company faced the same challenges confronting many manufacturers across America: rising costs, foreign competition, outdated systems, and operational inefficiencies. Rather than accept decline, we built Burton OLS, an operational leadership system combining technology, automation, accountability, and AI-driven tools to transform how manufacturing businesses operate. Today, Polyvinyl Creation serves as the proving ground for that platform. We believe the future of American manufacturing is not simply producing products. It is giving small manufacturers the tools to compete, grow, and thrive. Burton OLS was born from necessity, but its future is helping strengthen American manufacturing one company at a time.